We have been learning everyday items throughout the week, and we're going to be learning another one that will help you get some rest. Oddly enough, it has some other meanings as well. In Master Azerbaijani word of today, you have the word called yatag. Yatag. Yatag can mean a bed and riverbed and a deposit. By that we mean only mineral oil deposits. How? Let's explore with phrases first and then sentences. Phrases first. To make the bed, dry riverbed, or rich oil field. Let's see. Now, the word itself is yatak, but when you change it, you add to do something with it. It turns yatağı, yatağa. The last g sound will switch with r sound for easier flow of the speech. So hence you see these changes here. Let's start. To make the bed, yatağı yığmak. Yığmak to gather, to collect it together. Actually, the literal meaning. But in this case, yatağı yığmak, to make the bed. Guru çay yatağı. Chai, river, or the one that you drink tea. Now, guru, dry. Guru çay yatağı, dry riverbed. Zengin neft yatağı. Neft is oil. Rich, zengin. Zengin neft yatağı, rich oil field. Interesting, isn't it? Let's discover it through sentences as well. Seher tezden işe gedəndə, Seher tezden işe tələsəndə, I will also explain what is işe gedəndə. Seher tezden işe tələsəndə, yatağımı yığmağı unutsam da, axşam qayıdanda səliqəli otaq görmək məni sakitləşdirir. Let's translate. Although I rush to work in the morning and forget to make the bed, seeing a neat room when I return in the evening calms me down. Now, why did I say seher tezden işe gedəndə? Gedəndə when I go. But here is a better word to help you learn different versions of the words actions. Seher tezden işe tələsəndə, tələsmək to rush, to hurry. Although I rush to work in the morning, yatağımı yığmağı unutsam da, and forget to make the bed, unutmak, to forget, unutsam da, although I forget, akşam qayıdanda, when I return in the evening, akşam evening, qayıdanda when I return, səliqəli otaq görmək, seeing a neat room, neat, səliqəli, otaq, room, seeing, görmək. Məni sakitləşdirir, calms me down, sakit, calm, quiet, sakitləş, calm down, be quiet, imperative, sakitləşdirir, calms me down. Okay? Next sentence. Mütəxəssislər bölgədə yeni neft yatağı aşkar etdikdən sonra infrastruktur planlarını yenidən qurdular. Lakin ekoloji təsirləri minimuma indirmək üçün əlavə araşdırmalar tələb olundu. It's like a sentence from the news. It's a long sentence as well. Let's see the translation first. After specialists discovered a new oil field in the region, they redesigned infrastructure plans, but additional studies were required to minimize environmental impacts. Mütəxəssis, specialist, mütəxəssislər, specialists, plural. Mütəxəssislər bölgədə, in the region, yeni neft yatağı, a new oil field, aşkar etdikdən sonra, after discovered, bring it together. Mütəxəssislər bölgədə yeni neft yatağı aşkar etdikdən sonra, after specialists discovered a new oil field in the region, infrastruktur, lots of loanwords here, that's a different story. Infrastruktur planlarını yenidən qurdular. They redesigned the infrastructure plans. Yenidən qurdular, redesigned. Infrastruktur planlarını, infrastructure plans. Lakin, but, ekoloji təsirləri minimuma indirmək üçün, to minimize environmental impacts, əlavə araşdırmalar tələb olundu. additional studies were required. All right? Let me read it once again. Mütehassisler bölgede yeni neft yatağı aşkar ettikten sonra infrastruktur planlarını yeniden kurdular. Lakin ekoloji təsirləri minimuma endirmək üçün əlavə araşdırmalar tələb olundu. Like I said, the word itself is yataq, but when you add it next to another words and change the form, g sound at the end drops and gets replaced with g sound. Now, that was today's word, yataq. How else we can use it? That joke maybe? My weekend productivity hack is simple. More time in yataq, so you can get rest and recovery you need for the next week. Now, for deeper grammar, pronunciation, culture, history, and even learning tips, I have masterazerbaijan.com where I post blogs every 10 days. Feel free to check it out. Or to learn Azerbaijani step by step, feel free to download Master Azerbaijani app that I have built, and it's available in App Store, both Google Store as well. That one has module free that is completely free, and it will give you the foundation you need to keep building with confidence. Otherwise, if you are enjoying our daily word sessions, come back tomorrow for a new word. I'll see you there. Cheers.